Welcome back. So the case against former Minister Zizi Kodwa and his co-accused has been postponed to the 21st of August. Kodwa and former EOH Director Jehan MacKay made a second appearance before the Palm Ridge Magistrates Court earlier today. They face charges related to evidence presented at the State Capture Commission of Inquiry. Our reporter Calvin Dludla is there and spoke to the NPA's Dludla.
We are here at the Palm Ridge Magistrate Court where we were attending the case of the former Arts and Culture Minister Zizi Kodwa. He is facing a corruption charge. I'm not alone. I'm with the National Prosecuting Authorities spokesperson, Gauteng Division, Dludla. And thank you very much for your time. We saw you in court and we saw what transpired in court. Do you feel that you have a strong case against the former minister?
Well, our duty as the state is to present all relevant evidence before court. The court will come to a conclusion regarding the strength of the state case. So only the court can make that determination after it has evaluated all the evidence before it.
The case has been postponed to the 21st of August 2024, which is next month. Why is the postponement?
It's postponed to the 21st of August. That was indulgence provided by the court for the state to respond to the interlocutory application brought by accused number 2, Mr. Kodwa, for further particulars. This is after we have disclosed the contents of the docket to both accused. So Mr. Kodwa then further brought an application for further particulars. So the court has provided us with the indulgence to consider his application and thereafter respond to it.
Maybe this question would be unfair to you. Is NPA ready for this case?
We have been ready to proceed with the trials. That is why, as soon as the matter was enrolled, we were in a position to disclose the contents of the docket. So the accused are within their rights to exercise all the recourse mechanisms. You'd also recall that the lawyer for accused number 1 indicated in court that they will also use the time provided by the court to decide whether or not they will be bringing representations. So we are hoping as the NPA that we will be in a position to deal with all those interlocutory applications before the trial stage. But as the NPA, we are ready to proceed with trial.
You can say that we won't see postponements after postponement.
Well, we cannot guarantee that there won't be any further postponements. As I've said, that the accused enjoy the rights to bring these applications. So once they've decided that they'll be bringing representations to the NPA, obviously there will be further postponements for the NPA to consider such representations. And also remember that they have a right to bring such representations up until the National Office of the NPA, which is quite a lengthy process. So as the NPA, we are ready to deal with such applications as in when they are brought to us. But of importance is that all these interlocutory applications must be finalized before we can move to the trial stage.
Okay, there's a question that I have to ask you. What is the status of the trial against the bodyguards of Mashatile? When is it back in court and the restrictions placed on the media?
I don't have the exact date, but that matter is ongoing at the Randburg Magistrate Court. As the state, we are busy finalizing our investigations, and once investigations are finalized, then we'll be able to proceed with the trial stage.
Thank you very much. That was the National Prosecuting Authorities spokesperson, Gauteng Division, Dludla, telling us that the case has been postponed to the 21st of August. She is saying that as the state, they are ready to proceed with the case. My name is Calvin Dludla for SABC News. I'm in Johannesburg.